All right, I got a great reaction drill for you guys to work on. Been thinking about this topic of reaction speed and how it's one of those things that happens in group class without you even really knowing that you're getting it, and it's one of those things that you don't really get training on your own because of the lack of external stimulus to tell you when to go, right? And if you think about all kinds of athletic uh, undertakings require you to react to some other stimulus than like whether you just feel like doing it right then, right? Kicking a field goal or coming out of a block when the you hear the shot, the sprinter or whatever. These are reaction timing things, and certainly in martial arts, somebody's going to hit you. I mean, you got to block then. You can't block when you feel like blocking. You can't hit when you feel like hitting. You got to do it when you need to. You see this in demo teams. Sometimes there's a kid who can do a trick. Let's say you do a 540 or an aerial or whatever, but only when you get super psyched up and the mat's just right and you got exactly the right number of steps and everybody's cheering for you and you're totally warmed up, right? And then you can do it. But how about you're in a routine and that second comes around where boom, you got to do that right then. That's a bigger challenge for sure, and it's training that we need. Kind of your reaction timing thing. So say I'm going to be your stimulus on this today, but then I want to show you something tomorrow that is kind of a creative way of making this happen on your own without the teacher. So here's how this one works. You're going to stand in the middle of your training space, and you're going to imagine that you're standing in the middle of the clock. I know we did a clock thing the other day. We're going to do that again. But instead of the clock being here, we're going to imagine that the clock is on the floor and that you are standing in the middle of it. And so 12 o'clock is straight ahead, and 6 o'clock is behind you, and then you have 9 and you have 3. So you pull your guard up and you start moving and you pick a thing. Like let's start with something simple. We're just going to do 1, 2, 3. All right, punch, punch, kick. All right, everybody start moving. And if I say 12 o'clock, you throw that straight ahead. If I say 6, you snap to the back and you throw it. All right, we just start with 12 and 6. Okay, so I'll call out a few for you right now. All right, ready? And 6. And then as soon as you complete that, you just go back to your footwork facing the front. 12. 12. 12. 6. Good job. Okay, so now let's add in the idea of a 9 and of a 3. And you notice that I'm throwing left first over here, but over here it made more sense because where my legs were set up, I just threw it with the right side first. All right, let's move. Ready, 3. I'm not going to point for you because it's different for you than it is for me, so just go to 3. 6. 6. 12. 3. 9. Okay, nice job, nice job. Let's pick a different combination, right? Let's change it up a little bit. We'll go elbow, elbow, knee. And that's still, if you think about it, that's still 1, 2, 3, right? Kind of left, right, and then right. Bring that knee down onto your hands. So left elbow, right knee. And then I like that. Let's bring that right knee into the left elbow. So boom, boom, boom. Kind of twist back. Okay. But what I'm going to do for you this time is I'm going to give you 2 numbers. All right, I'm going to give you 2 numbers, and you've got to do one and then the other immediately. So if I said 12, 6, go bang, bang, bang. You turn, and you get that other bad guy. All right, let's move. 3 and then 9. So you do elbow, elbow, knee to both targets. 12 and then 6. 12 and then 9. 6 and then 3. 6 and 9. Nice job. Okay. Okay. So from here, let's get this going. And to me, this is where it really gets fun. I want you to pick some sort of strength exercise you can do on the ground, and you're going to put one of those in between your two directions that you hit. All right? So this is a nice way of building up some numbers on some exercises you want to get better at, and it also simulates getting knocked over, right? Getting knocked over. So I might do my 12, boom, and I get knocked down. Oh no, I'm going to go do a push-up. Okay, so I go down, I hit my push-up, and then I'm up, bang, 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 to my 6 again. All right, so everybody move. Okay, and make the combination whatever you want. Actually, why don't we go, let's change it again. Let's go palm, palm, round kick. Still 1, 2, 3, palm, palm, round kick. All right, ready? 12 and then 6. Palm, palm, round, down, do a push-up, get up, do it to the back. Okay, you got the idea. 12 and then 3. Palm, palm, round kick, push-up, you're up, and again to your 3. 9 and 6. Snap to the side, bang, 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 drop down, and you go to the back. 3 and 12. Snap to the side, bang, 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 drop, up, go to the front. Let's do one more. 6 and then 12. Start to the back, 1, 2, 3, drop, jump up, back to the front again. Nice work. Okay, so we're gonna change it. We're gonna change it one final time, and what we're gonna do is here. Let's do 1, 2, 3 again. What can we do here? Let's go claws, and let's go outside crescent. Claw, claw, crescent, like that. There you go. That's kind of an awkward one, but whatever. If you have your own combination, that's fine too. But what you do now is you just fill in all the rest of the numbers. All right, all the rest of the numbers. So, 1 o'clock, 7, and I like this because it causes you to hesitate a little bit, especially if you're not, see, I got my old school watch on, but if you're like a digital Apple Watch wearing kind of person, then this might cause you to hesitate and have to think, okay, where is that number? You figure out quick, and you do it. We're still doing doubles. Let's go with in between, let's say, just a burpee now instead of a push-up. So you're just going to go down and up really fast without worrying about the push-up. Just make sure you hit your chest on the ground, all right? So I would go, like if it's 12 and 6, I'd go claw, claw, crescent. I drop, bang, up, boom, 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 and crescent again. And I'm going to mix in all the numbers so you can really be paying attention. Okay, let's start with 4 and then 7. Okay, claw, claw, crescent, burpee, claw, claw, crescent to 7 o'clock. Okay, so if your head didn't explode yet thinking of where those numbers are, let's do another one. How about 2 and then 9? 2 and 9. Claw, claw, crescent, burpee, claw, claw, crescent. Good job. 11 and 12. Yep, so those two are close together. Claw, claw, crescent, burpee, up, claw, claw, crescent. Okay, let's put one more in. How about 5 and 9? Go. Claw, claw, crescent, burpee, claw, claw, crescent. Okay, well, nice job. You can use that if you have a partner especially. That's like an awesome reaction drill to do. I like that you can throw that get knocked down, get up thing in there and get some volume on the conditioning exercises you need to do as well as your reaction speed. Sweet. Happy training, everybody.